You did not give me any water for my feet, but you wet my feet with your tears and wiped them with your hair. You did not give me a kiss, but this woman, from the time that you did, has non-stop kissing me.
Agay.
You did not put oil on my head, but she has poured perfume on my feet. Verse 47, malakas po, 1, 2, 3. For, I tell you, her sins have been forgiven, as her great love has shown. But whoever has been forgiven loves
Agay.
We deserve death. But,
Ayaw sumasama si Yagay. Si Yagay ayaw sumama kay
greatly the Lord has
Dada.
forgiven us. Then greatly we can forgive others. Then greatly we can love others. Ayan po ba? Malakas po ng palakpak sa ating Panginoon. Sa kanyang clap. Next slide. Ibasa po ng malakas. 1, 2, 3, go. In the end,
The goal of the Christian life is love.
the measure of our maturity is our love for God and our love for others. If we failed in our love, we have missed